Oh, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, good people. Good morning to you. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. When I awakened, I was mistaken, and I bowed my head and cried. 'Cause you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. So what do you think? When I see you in the morning, that old sleep still in your eyes, I remember all the laughter and the tears we shed last night. And as we lie here, just still shadows in the light before dawn, the sweetest thing I've ever known is loving you. And I have never been afraid of losing, and I have never fallen in love. I can't get that part because I don't want to sing too loud. I only know that when I'm with you, you're my sunshine, you're my rain. The sweetest thing I've ever known is loving you. The sweetest thing I've ever known is loving you. Good morning. Oh man. Love is alive and at a breakfast table every day of the week. And love is alive and it grows every day and night, even when I sleep. Love is alive and it's made a happy woman out of me. Oh, love is alive and here by me. You remember that song? Love ain't just a word. Sweet songs of music to go dancing by. Love is a man and he's mine. And love, I can't remember what the rest of it is. Oh, love is alive and at a breakfast table every day of the week. And love is alive and it grows grows every day and night, even when I sleep. Love is alive and it's made a happy woman out of me. Oh, love is alive and here by me. Love is alive here by me. Yes, honey. I am on my way to work, and just wanted to pop in. I'm fooling around with the effects on my phone and stuff. And so this one was pretty cool, I think. What do y'all think? And what I want to say? Everybody's talking about Jesse. I'm glad that the charges were dropped. And I think that Jesse is still growing up. Being in the world is hard. But I think that he has learned that decisions matter. You know? Somebody sent me a text message. Hold on. Tanner. So anyway, just in regular life, I've had people to, try to get me caught up in some kind of fool-la-la. And I'm quite certain that whatever happened with Jesse, it had a lot to do with him being a celebrity and, whatever the stresses are with working on Empire and different things like that. I think it's very telling that from the very beginning, the people at Empire, did not support Jesse, Terrence Howard did not show up in court with him. Taraji did not, which I know Taraji is busy. She's working. It's very unfortunate. But again, there were no victims. And I said this to my sister last night. Even though she does not agree with me, she feels like, when other black people come forward to say that they were being oppressed, that they won't be believed. Well, she was like, I know you disagree with me, and I do, because nobody believes black people anyway when they're oppressed. And I believe the majority of people who believed Jesse in the beginning were the gay people. It wasn't the blacks. Trust. Okay? And why? Because most black people know that a lot of black people are up to fool-la-la, but many try to live quiet lives and mind their own business, okay? And they are not going to be publicly supporting Jussie Smollett anyway, because they got too much other stuff to do. Most black people don't even have Twitter accounts. It's mostly young people, young black people who do. But the ones in my age group and older, most of them don't tweet. Child, they don't know nothing about Twitter. And I can see them right now. Every time somebody says something about Jussie Smollett, they sign and gasping and going on like, oh, because that information is not important to them in their lives. For them to be able to make decisions, they don't care about that kind of stuff. That's just not a priority for them. And I get that. So